What's up, guys? Today we are putting some factory Segway tree kickers on. It'll replace this bar rub rail on the side of your machine. But we're running the Team MSC skid plate. Love it. I beat the mess out of it, and if you could see up under this machine, the trailing arms in the skid plate definitely shows we ride. But there's a little bit of modification that you have to do to the Team MSC skid plate that I did on the other side, and I'm just going to walk you through it on the install today. So if you've already got the skid plate installed like I do here, you will remove just this outer little piece. It ain't much to it, and then we will remove this bar, install the new bar, hold that up there, mark it, cut it, I'll show you that, and it'll turn out really sweet and really nice. So let's get started. I'll get this opened up, snatch that skid plate off and that bar, and we'll get this one put on. Real simple to do. 3 screws or 3 bolts, and it goes right on. And then you just do some minor modifications to the skid plate and you cut off just a little bit. Works perfect, looks great, can't even tell. So we got a race coming up, and I'd like to have that bar stick past my back tire in case it get into somebody. So
Whoa, whoa, whoa! I need you to stop what you're doing. Like, subscribe, do me a favor. It's free right here. Click the button right now.
Here's the factory one. Hanging up on the wall over here with the other one. In case somebody needs one day. Alright, got the new tree kicker installed. And we'll take this skid plate. I'm gonna go knock the dirt off of it. So you take your skid plate and the 3 screws. Alright, so we'll stick the skid plate back up here. Alright, so you put your Team MSC skid plate back under there and get it tightened, fitted where you want it to be. And then you'll get you a paint pen. So get it up under there, get it fitted where you want it, get you a paint pen, and come right inside this bottom rail. And you'll mark your cut line. All right, so you get your, this is a Segway factory, I call them tree kickers. And my camera messed up on me. But you'll take this piece of skid plate here, the side piece, and you'll hold it up there and you'll mark it like I did here. You can see that yellow mark. And that's about how much you're gonna cut off. Off the back, and about that much off the front, and you just hold it up there and run your marker along this bar here. And then I used a skill saw with a fine tooth blade, and it'll make a mess like this. And then you just put your screws back in. but it's just this piece right here to the side that you take off. And as you can see, I have really used the skid plate, and it's amazing. But it was not designed to go with these type bars, because the bar is actually a little bit lower, this bottom bar here, than the other style factory bar that runs down through there. So it'll work, no problem. And it looks great. I mean, you can't really tell that I've trimmed it off any. And that way you can have the best of both worlds, the tree kicker and still have a little bit of a boat side with their skid plate. So it's just a little information video, you know, don't get freaked out, and definitely upgrade to these bars because they're awesome. And I think they do really well. And my next set, of course, will be a little bit wider, a little bit different, but they'll be aftermarket once I get a cage on this thing. But here's the driver's side, and it's been done for quite a while. Mixed up in shipping, I ended up with 2 driver's sides. But we're actually going to be racing this unit in the amateur class. So got me a window net, 5-point harness hooked up in there, and it's going to be a good time. When I rolled it last time, broke my roof. So we got us a bolt there to keep the roof on. And a new cage is coming in 2026 because of what I've been doing. So thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe. 2026 is going to be awesome. We're starting it out with a bang. Race video first week. So wish us some luck. And if you'd like to sponsor the Misfit Moto race team, we'll be more than glad to work with you and do what it needs to be done. So like, subscribe, follow along. We've already got a busy year planned, and it's going to be sweet. So just wanted to finish that video up and go through that a little bit. Don't be scared to cut it. So we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.